One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. And I do daily vlogs, daily videos. Tune in, subscribe and all that because I do cool stuff. This is gonna be the replacement of a rear hatch strut, rear hatch shock, rear hatch, I guess there's 3 or 4 names for them. Same thing as a trunk strut or trunk latch or hood. Your hood, your trunk, and the hatches are usually about the same. And really this time, you should use a screwdriver, but there's also another alternative. And the other alternative is the MORAKNIV. There's a link for the MORAKNIV down in the description, and there's also a link for the struts for a Excursion, Escalade, Tahoe, stuff like that. We're gonna do it with just the MORAKNIV and see how it turns out. And I'm here to tell you, this is the best tool that I've had around. It's practically indestructible. It's a great little knife, and they're $9.99. So, go figure. And they come in this cool little sheath that they don't really pop out of. Can't beat that. So that's that. Here we go. And I'll tell you what, this is a quick 4-minute job. We do it in 4 minutes. Now, granted, somebody was holding the hatch for me, so maybe it'd take you a little longer, but people pay $100, $200 for this easy. It's not worth it. Just do it. You don't need a mechanic. Do it yourself. Order them all. They're 11 to 13 bucks each. This is just a really quick video to do a, I want to say hood strut, but it's like a rear hatch strut on an Excursion. I sell all kinds of old, different, unique cars, all kinds of stuff. And I got 50, 60 more somewhere else. Okay, so here's your struts. And these are actually reverse of the ones I just did on the Lexus. Where on the Lexus, the metal rod was down and the metal tube was up. So that's the first thing you want to do, is take note of which way they are. Orientation. Right orientation. People forgot about that nowadays, I tell you. Trump 2020. So, hopefully you can see this. You just poke that in there. We're going to see, I got the MORAKNIV, and we're going to see if this breaks, which I'm pretty confident it won't. I just don't want to poke a hole in my truckus. There we go. Well, that sounds like Swedish steel breaking. Swedish steel ain't gonna break. Okay, so once you pop that thing off, it should come off pretty easy. From there, same thing, other side. There we go. But I'm wondering if it's the right ones. Open it, and it does say
it's pretty heavy.
Excursion. It is, isn't it? Sorry.
It's alright.
We're moving. We're moving. And you know, you get one of them on, it's probably gonna... Yeah.
Just temporary. Just temporary.
Here they are, brand new. Open these up, get them on. It seriously is a very quick job. I've heard of people paying to get these installed. And that's just...
Felonious.
Felonious. I like that. Okay, so I'm gonna try and do this lefty righty. Here's your little ball, here's your little thing, and you should, you know, you should do the bottom first. You should do the top first. I like the top first. Okay. This is the bottom.
Other end.
So it'd be
That end.
like this, right? There we go. And just push it on. Plug it in, plug it in. Now this one should rotate on there to where it'll fit, and let it down a little bit. See, now the Lexus, I didn't have any room. Watch through my old videos and you'll see on the Lexus, I wasn't comfortable pushing that trunk as hard as I had to. Was one holding it? Almost. So, I'm gonna record to where I can have a farther away thing. There we go, same thing. Don't break my knife. Now, Rich wanted to do this right and get a stinking screwdriver, which is what you should do.
We suggest the right tool for the right job at all times.
Definitely.
This is a test.
This is only a test. But you know what I want to test is the MORAKNIV.
That's what I mean.
Yeah, and I've really found that it is a great little knife, and I put stuff through the ropes. I try stuff every way I can, and I'm telling you, I haven't found a soft spot in this knife yet, and I'm saying it at the point where it could start happening and being a problem. I would be so pissed off if this don't work. It still feels pretty heavy.
Please dispose of your old ones properly.
Yeah, you know, at a proper recycling center. It's compressed gas, like it's compressed gas, people. and I'm trying to get the best I can. It's really, really easy.
Gotta put my hand over it.
Put them on.
And then up a little bit and...
Okay, the test. Yeah, buddy.
Man,
And the MORAKNIV.
brand new.
There's no chips in that blade. And the back of these blades are serrated or whatever for the flame starter. Kind of cool. Okay. Well, I don't know what that was. Maybe like 5 minutes or something. It's a quick ordeal. It's easy to do. And there's no excuse not to do it. I'll put it for the Excursion and maybe for the Tahoe and the Escalade and a couple other SUVs, Yukon. I'll put the link for the Struts in the description below, and the link for the MORAKNIV will be there. And I'm here to tell you, I make a nickel or something if you buy this.
You gotta see this.
Wow. They're like $13 or $11 or something.
$150 job in a mechanic shop.
$150 job, that ain't no lie either. That's no lie. So do it yourself. I got the Amazon link below for all the different sport utility vehicles that might be popular. And get the MORAKNIV. It's $9.99. I'm telling you, best tool that you ever had. Thanks for watching. OneOwnerCarGuide.com. Tune in tomorrow. There'll be more stuff going on. I don't know what, but there'll be something going on.